Unreal video here for you guys. Today we are testing out Fiverr bots. Now, if you guys remember from right now, it was only a few days ago, but for whenever you're watching this, it's probably like a month into the future. We did a Instagram video where I got you guys to help me trade, and you guys made me a little bit of money. Somebody suggested I did a giveaway for that money, and it was only about 70 bucks. Who cares about this? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on Fiverr and I'm gonna spend 700. I'm gonna take 10 times what you guys made me, and I'm gonna buy some bots. I might do some Forex signals, something like this, and test them out for a month. Now, I'm a little bit skeptical. Spending $700, I'm probably only going to put, let's say, $100, $200 into each account. I think I'm going to do 3. We're going to do a low grade, a mid grade, and a high grade bot and see what is the difference. Spending $700 total, because thank you guys so much for making me 70. So I'll return the favor by 10xing your investment, and we're going to see how good these damn bots are. See if there's actually any worth it. But I got a funny feeling that this might not work super well. Let's go into the Fiverr right now and see what we can find. I had already found one that I just briefly saw here. I would love to do this one. It's in Canadian dollars. So how much effort this guy put into this. It's just an arbitrary robot. This is going to be the low grade one for sure. He's got 2 5-star ratings. Now, if we scroll down to those ratings, we have another user named FX Guru. So we know that that's somebody who knows a lot about Forex. So we're going to go ahead and just know right away that this one is just ludicrous. So we're going to go in and we're going to buy that one right now. Let's look. I provide you a Forex robot. Perfect. This is what we want.
I will offer you a Forex bot. Okay.
He's a CEO and husband of Google Investments. Google Investments, me? What? He's the CEO of Google? Please. Very excited to get this rockin'. Smooth as can be. And let's find an expensive one this time. Let's find a good one. Let's go 4 to 500. High profit Forex. High win rate. Ooh, 120% win rate. 120% win rate. So every time it wins, it's got a 20% chance to win twice. If you guys want the 120% win rate after we're done here, I recommend you go with the premium because it'll be 400. We're going to go with the mini one because we're just doing a test trial so you guys can see. Okay, well, might be fake, but it could be a good one. This one's at least got some pictures of what an EA is, unlike the other ones, and 120% win rate. So continue checkout. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I'm so excited. See you in a month. No, well, I'll show you it set up first and then see you in a month. So what I've gone ahead and done is I have set up 3 accounts on FX Choice here, my old broker. I'm now using Blueberry. If you guys want to get on Blueberry, there's a link in the description for my brokers. But I have set up 3 accounts. This is account 3, 2, and 1. And I've put, since I want a highest risk on the more expensive one, because that's what I believe possibly is going to be performing best, and just so we can differentiate a little bit in the future, what we're going to look for is 333. That is the most expensive bot, and this one is then 222. And that is the mid-range bot. And then this one will be 111. This is the $10 bot because I do not want to put much risk on a $10 bot. Mind you, we only set up, I think, 666 total. Across the 3 accounts. So it's not a huge deal if we lose everything there. So I had actually spent over $1,000 if you count the amount in the accounts, and an actual loss of $500, something like this. So if you guys like this video, just hit the like button because I don't need to be spending this money for no reason. We're trying to see if Fiverr can actually make a good bot, and we're trying to make a little bit of entertainment here. So hope you guys like the video.
2,000 years later.
Let's quickly check back up with how the bots are doing. Let's start off with number 1 here. It really looks like it's made a lot of money, right? It's made what, $70. but we have this massive drawdown, and this is exactly what I thought was going to happen with this first bot here. Is it's a very aggressive DCA strategy, and it's running on all of these different pairs. It has opened a position in one direction or both directions or something like this, and then whenever it's wrong, just keeps adding to the position until it averages itself out, and then it takes profit in profit. So it looks like it's going up, but generally it basically stays around the same amount. I've seen DCA strategies like this work in numerous EAs already, and essentially what happens is you don't really make money, but your balance keeps going up, but your equity stays the same, roughly, because your drawdown gets larger and larger. That is absolutely ridiculous, and you should be ashamed if you think that this is something worthwhile. And that's my first thought, but we will see how it goes just for fun. Blasting off on number 2 here, doing pretty damn well. We made about 40 bucks, and this one is not a DCA strategy. It's specifically made for the 1 minute gold, which makes me think that, okay, they made this specific for something. They knew how the markets worked on this pair. Now, I'm not completely sure how it's running yet, but I think what it does is it enters into breakouts. When it does break structure, we're seeing these lows being broken right here, and then it's sold when that multiple lows broke down, and then it's trying to take profit at the next level down or something like this. Stop loss is very high and the take profit very low. This guy is something, again, that's going to look like it keeps going up and up and up, and then eventually you're going to get a loser, and it's going to lose a massive amount. But with a name like Life Changer EA, you know, it's got to be good. Blasting off on number 3, the big one here. It is also making some money, but again, it is sitting right exactly at break even. It's actually got some sort of entry requirements. It's not just entering randomly. This gives us more promise that this one could be making good profit. We'll have to actually check out what happens in the future here, coming on soon. So we are 1 week in. Can you guess what happened? This got liquidated a few days ago. Turn that guy off. Let's look at the gold one. It's now gone up, you know, roughly about 50%. That's pretty good. It's kind of just chilling right now. I like ones that just chill.
Is it chill if I chill right here? I just want to make sure it's chill.
And let's look at the final one here. And you can see that it is also making a little bit of money. It looks like it's going to be running much longer term. Let's see if this can get through a month. We've already lost that $100 though, and we lost all the money that we spent on these things. So hopefully we can at least make that back. We got 1 more week here, guys. Hopefully these don't blow. The most expensive account there, the third one, that one, we were very close to getting it blown, but it seemed to be able to recover itself perfectly fine. I think it was down, what, 50-60% there last week. So let's just see how it goes a little bit longer. And then I think the gold one is doing the best. That's my favorite. But I'm pretty sure if we get a couple losing trades in a row, it's going to really draw it down. So I'd be curious to see how that goes. But after 1 more week, I'm going to be calling it off just so that we can post this video.
Fired up. So fired up.
All right, guys, so drum roll. It is the final result here. It is January 14th. I believe I started this on the 14th of December, so it's exactly 1 month. We're going to turn them off all right now. Let's take a peek at the final result. So for the first bot there, I spent $9.74, and I ended the account with 74 cents. So that's a total loss of $9. And the second bot there, I had paid 141.08. I had invested $222, and I had made at the end 671.60 cents. So that leaves me with a total profit of $308.52. For the final bot, I had paid $211.45, and I ended with $622.63. I had put in a total of $333, and that gives us a profit of $78.18. So for a grand total, all of our profits here was $386.70. If we look at the total bot cost, we have spent $211, $114, and about $9. Gives us a total of $362.27. This is less than the $380 amount. Gives us a total profit of $24.43 after investing a total of $600 into the trading bot. So you can see that we've made a very slight profit, but we did run a risk of blowing our entire account. So I highly recommend that you do not do this with this amount of money, at least. but you can absolutely go ahead and try if you guys wanted to see those bought. I also say do not do that. That is a bad idea because likely you will blow your account in the future. So again, guys, I guess that's somewhat successful. I'm not too sure because originally we had made about, I think, $75 from the Instagram post trading. Now I wanted to invest that money back into trading and spend, you know, way more than I actually made, and it looks like we actually made a little bit of money, and we're sitting at right about $100 profit total doing these things. So I don't mind continuing to do this. If you guys like this sort of video, please let me know in the comment section below. We're going to try to make some new types of videos, a little bit of fun type of video here, just experimenting different things, some stuff that's not exactly Forex related so much, but a lot of finance related stuff, because that's what this is all about. It's growing your finances, teaching you how to trade, teaching you how to manage your money properly. That's all I really care about. That's all I want to do. So if you guys like the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.